Assalamu alaikum my all viewers, I hope you are all well and may Allah keep you well all. So today the recipe I am going to make is traditional recipe of siray kanday or fish head and tail curry from my mother's secret recipe for winter special. So let's make it. First take a deep pan and then add oil to it and then heat it well. Then add chopped onions and fry well till become translucent, and when they turn into golden, then set it aside. And then on the other hand, take a grinding jar and then add ginger, garlic, green chilies and tomatoes, and also add little water and then blend it and make it into a smooth paste. And then add it to the fried onions and saute and fry well until all the ingredients are well combined. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the masala softens, and then as soon as the masala softens, then add salt, red chili powder and a turmeric powder and mix and cooks well until the oil separates. And then add curd or a sour yogurt and keep mixing well until all the water of the spices dries up and oil comes out completely. When the oil comes out well from the spices, then add head and tail or siray kanday of the fish and keep mixing well. And try to move the pan round and round instead of using spoon so that the fish pieces are mixed well inside. From this way, fish pieces will never break. Then mix with the spoon twice with very light hands, and then after mixing well 2 to 3 times, then add water and stir again and then cover and cook until water starts boiling. Now cover again and simmer for about 5 minutes on a low flame until oil separates. Now take it out in a bowl. This recipe is good source of omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for the eye and brain because fish head and brain also rich source of vitamin A, and fish head also contains a good amount of omega-3 or fatty acid. It is also helpful in depression and mental health, and it is also helpful in diabetes and arthritis. Now garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and serve with boiled rice and rice of your choice. So guys, if you enjoy my recipe and enjoy my videos, so please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.